हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज डॉक्टर दास फ्रॉम टीबा हेल्थ केयर। जब से वैक्सीन चालू हुई है, many people have lots of confusion about this. Some people are saying it's not safe because it was not properly done, the procedures was properly not done, it was rushed. Some people says that this might cause future problems with the genetical problems and all. So I'm going to clear those confusion today, so that everything you need to know, you can find your answers from that. So first one is, if the vaccine was rushed or it's not safe. These vaccines go through many examinations, and unless they are completely clear, they are not approved. So these are gone through many tests before it comes to market. It's called clinical trials. So these vaccines are completely safe, and this is the only way to take care of the condition or the situation right now with the COVID. We still don't have any medication for COVID, so this is the only way you can protect yourself. Number two, expert says this vaccine will alter my DNA. DNA and RNA are completely different thing, and it's absolutely impossible to alter your DNA. So this is just a myth. There's nothing like that. Number three, this vaccine will track us and control us. There are people are thinking if you take this vaccine and it's like a GPS tracker or something, which really does not make any sense. It's not a mobile phone or anything. So it's completely bogus. There's nothing like that. This is just a part of serum or part of the viral particle which actually produce antibodies in your body. So in future, in case you contact any virus, COVID virus, or any person who is infected with it, so your body will protect you so you don't get infected. Number four, they are using us as a guinea pig to test this vaccine. Not really. This has been tested with animals. This has been tested with volunteers. When you come up with a new vaccine or medication, there are people who voluntarily go for it, and those are only safe they come into the market. So this is nothing like they are using as a guinea pig or test material. Number fifth, if I get my vaccine, I don't have to wear a mask. Nothing like that. If you have vaccine, there's still chance you might get infection, but the chances are very rare or low. But it has been seen even after taking the vaccine, people are getting infected with coronavirus. So you have to wear a mask, you have to use a hand sanitizer, you have to keep yourself clean, maintain distance. Number six, corona vaccine can cause infertility and miscarriage. Absolutely not. It has nothing to do with any hormonal or any changes in your body. It just produces some antibodies which can protect you from getting infected. Number seven, this vaccine will make us sick. In some extent, yes, when you get the vaccine, you might get a slight allergic reaction, or the site of injection might be a little bit painful, but those are temporary. After 1 or 2 days, they should not be bothering you. They should be all right. I already had corona. I don't need the vaccine. Even you are infected with corona, you need to get the vaccination done. It's completely two different ways. So even you got corona vaccine in history, in past, you still have to get the corona vaccine done. I have a history of tuberculosis. Am I supposed to take the vaccine? Well, there is a chance if you take a vaccine, corona vaccine, it can reactivate your tuberculosis. So you can get infected again with tuberculosis. That's why you must take the vaccine, but alongside you have to take the antibiotic so that the tuberculosis doesn't get activated and it remains completely inactive and it doesn't give you any problems. Number 11, children. It has been seen children are much stronger, and compared to the adults, they can not suffer the way adults they go through or become fatal or compared to the mortality rate. So children's, anyone 12 years or above, they are supposed to take the vaccine. WHO has decided that. So below that, you don't have to take the vaccination. Number 12, cancer. In cancer patient, definitely you need to take the vaccine so that it cannot cause more trouble and more problem with you. Number 13, HIV patients. HIV patients are definitely should take this vaccine because apart from the complication from HIV, their immune system already low, and they tend to get corona infection. So it's better to take the vaccination so that more complication doesn't happen. Number 14, I am in blood thinner. Am I supposed to take the vaccine? If you are in blood thinner, then you must inform the management, because if your blood is too thin while giving the injection, the intramuscular injection can cause bleeding inside your muscle and it can be fatal. So you have to inform the management that I'm going to take this vaccination, but I am in warfarin, I am in aspirin or clopidogrel, something like that. So the management be careful while giving you the vaccination. I am pregnant. Am I supposed to take the vaccination? We have given so many patients a vaccination. So far, nothing has yet reported. Chinese vaccines are fake. All the vaccines available, it doesn't matter, it's a Russian one, it's an Indian one, it's a AstraZeneca, Chinese. Every vaccine is important and every vaccine works just fine. So any vaccine you get, just get it. Though there are some fake vaccine came out. So if you go through a proper hospital or if you go to a proper channel in a government hospital and all, you should be getting the proper one. But try to skip the bypass or don't just get it from someone who's selling to you. So I think if you get a proper vaccination and proper certification, then it is completely okay. I hope I have answered all your questions. If there's anything I have missed, you can always write down in my comment section and I'll definitely answer that. Thank you so much, and you take care of yourself. Use mask, use hand sanitizer, keep maintaining the distance in the public spaces, and you have a good day.